This love story is about one such boy who knew nothing about love. He was quite happy with his life. He would do anything to please his friends. But he says that not all friends value friendship. All the friends of this boy were friends for his money. But alas, that boy did not know anything about this. Days passed like this. One day, that nature did wonders. A girl came to that college, and in the same section in which the boy used to fall, all of his friends went crazy by seeing that girl. That girl was just as beautiful. Only a friend of that boy fell in love with that girl. He told all this to the boy. At this, the boy laughed and said, "Oh man, what is this love? If you like her, then go and speak to that girl directly." To this, the friend said, "What if she doesn't agree?" The boy said, "Don't be afraid." The friend did as his friend told him, but the girl did not agree. That friend became very sad. He told the boy about the girl's disobedience. The boy explained it to his friend and said, "Now I will bring that girl for you." The boy now started making efforts to bring that girl to him. But that girl did not trust any boy so easily. It took him about 3 to 4 months to just talk. When the talk started, everything started. Now it has started happening every day, whether it is a matter of the house or a matter outside. Now both of them used to do everything together, be it a college project or making notes. Now that boy started spending more and more time with that girl. The boy used to spend the least amount of time with his friends. His friends did not like him at all. One day his friend said to the boy, "You have brought that girl to you for me, so you stay a little away from him." The boy said, "Brother, she is yours." One day the boy thought, "Why should I not tell the whole thing to that girl and give my friend his love?" Thinking this, the boy went to tell this thing to that girl. But as soon as she came in front of him, he was afraid to say this. Seeing the sadness on the boy's face, the girl said, "What is the matter? Why are you sad? If there's anything, tell me." The boy said, "No, it doesn't matter." Then he went to his friends, but no friend saw his sadness. He began to understand how much his friends respected him. He didn't say anything to any of his friends about it. Now that boy slowly started falling in love with that girl. He was now afraid of losing that girl. When he thought of that girl, he would remember his friend, and when he thought of a friend, he would remember that girl. Meanwhile, the girl called her sister to meet the boy. Her sister met that boy. She said, "If you guys ever need anything, I am with you. You two just don't cheat on anyone." This thing shook the boy's soul. Now he was standing at such a point from where two paths are going, one towards friendship and the other towards love. He was unable to decide anything. But one says, "Choose your own path, or else time will choose your path. Take it, and you will keep on regretting it." It was the last year of college. It's been almost 6 months. His friends were now very upset with that boy. He wanted to take revenge on her. Once upon a time, the boy was on his way home from college. Then some of his friends came, and he brought his friends with him. A friend of the boy said, "I told you to stay away from that girl, but you will not understand like this. When you get kicked, then you will understand everything." Then the friend said to his friends, "Explain this well." Then what was left? All the boys hit him hard, and he left from there. That boy had been beaten so much that he did not even go to college for several days. Here, that girl used to wait for him every day. When the girl could not stay, she asked her friends where he was, but none of the friends told anything about him. The girl got very upset. But what could she do now? After a few days, the boy came to college. The girl asked the boy the reason for all this happening. The boy told him everything, whatever happened. He told that he had come to her for his friend. The boy also told that he had asked his friend to give it to you. After hearing all this, the girl cried a lot. The girl said, "I am not a toy that you buy me from the shop and give it to your friend. I too have a heart and a bit in it. If I had done something like this, what would you say and do?" After this, the girl said, "After today, you never show me your face. Go away, I made a mistake by trusting you." Saying this, the girl left from there. After this, the boy tried very hard that he could talk to that girl, but he could not succeed. After a few days, the examinations started in the college. Both appeared in the exam. When the exam was over, the girl never saw the boy after that. The boy searched for that girl a lot, but she could not be found anywhere. He also went to her house, but from there her family members had gone. Now the boy started to feel that whatever he did was not right. He should not have played with anyone's emotion like this. Now, after some time had passed, one day he saw a girl on the way who looked exactly like her from behind, and he was wearing the same clothes as that girl used to wear. She was on the other side of the road. That's why the boy couldn't see her face, and she turned to the other side. Now the boy was thinking that now how will I able to meet that girl? Only then he realized that if this is the same girl, then I should see her at her house. Now he goes to that girl's house and he sees that the girl is back. At this time, the boy's happiness knew no bounds. Now that boy seized the opportunity to try to talk to that girl. One day, when she is going to take medicine on the way, only then the boy sees the opportunity and goes to talk to her. At the same time, that girl tells him everything that where she was for so many days. She says that my father's health had suddenly deteriorated, so I had to go to Delhi to admit him in a good hospital. Now his condition is much better, so I am back here. After listening to all the painful things of the girl, the boy says, "Why didn't you tell me earlier that your father's health is not good? If I had known, I would have gone with you." The boy is very worried about her father. Now he says that I couldn't help you at that time, but I want to apologize to you that I played with your emotions. I didn't know you would feel so bad, but now I understand that whatever I did was very wrong. Please forgive me this time. I will never bother you next time. Seeing the boy apologizing like this, the girl forgives him because, in fact, she also loves him. And she says, "I already forgave you. Just wanted to make you realize your mistake." Now both of them left from there and started living together. The love story started with a coincidence, and in the end, both the lovers got together happily.